For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Is Dogelon Mars a why speculation? That is an inquiry that many individuals are posing to themselves as this new digital currency begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've accumulated an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost expectation. We will likewise talk about the specialized elements of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. We should go. What is Dogelon Mars, ELON? Dogelon Mars is a K9-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the case of other fruitful K9 coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on a few famous topics in the image coin space. Its name is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the tycoon business visionary who is a candid ally of Doge. It suggests Mars, a twist on the renowned moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a gigantic vertical development. Past its flippant name, Dogelon Mars has figured out how to construct a critical local area, with in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and in excess of 84,000 devotees on Telegram. Who are the founders of Dogelon Mars? Very much like is the situation for its more unmistakable and more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this specific K9 coin are obscure. That is generally a typical event for image coins, and financial backers are very much prompted because of a reasonable level of investment with mostly secret coins to try not to succumb to noxious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon has been available for quite a long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little. What makes Dogelon Mars unique? Dogelon Mars utilizes a clever comic story of Dogelon, the K9 giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. Several short comics are distributed on the coin's site that follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences. Dogelon Mars doesn't have a guide essentially, however rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon should battle for endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of Elon will reach Mars, or, as such, it will exchange at a lot higher valuation. Notwithstanding, Annihilators, by which the instability of the crypto markets could be implied, will be an issue the local area should battle against. Dogelon Mars Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be $0.0000038. The most extreme level that the Elon cost can reach is $0.0000041. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0000039. Elon price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Elon pace of $0.0000035 in August 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.0000031 and at $0.0000036, separately. September 2022, Dogelon Mars price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Elon cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0000034, while the most extreme could reach $0.0000037 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars may be around $0.0000036. Elon price forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Dogelon Mars in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Elon rate they foresee may be around 0.0000037 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.0000035 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.0000038. November 2022, Dogelon Mars price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Elon cost will be exchanged at $0.0000038 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogelon Mars worth to $0.0000040. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0000037 in November 2022. Elon price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Dogelon Mars costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.0000039. The most reduced and top Elon rates may be $0.0000038 and $0.0000041. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will be around $0.0000057. The most extreme expected Elon cost might be around $0.0000066. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.0000058 in 2023. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars, in 2024, Elon is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.0000080 and $0.0000098, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.0000083. Dogelon Mars price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Dogelon Mars and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Elon cost could drop to $0.00000